Hello coders. So I will be today discussing on an interesting topic in Excel. And before moving on or going on with the topic, that is how I did it. Let me first of all chalk out that what is the particular thing which I have achieved. So here is a scenario in which there is a work and the completion. So the checkbox, that is a right mark suggests that the work is being completed, while if that's a cross, that definitely means that the work is not completed, it's pending. And we have something here, progress and total, and this one is being calculated based on the values in this particular B column. So progress means right, and so let me change the data. If I press R from here from my keyboard, that is the work. I have changed it from completion to not being completed. So the percentage is changing. So total 19% of the work is still pending. So what if all of these are let me see whether it is 100% or not. So I'll be pressing A from my keyboard, and since I have selected a range of cells, so I want to be pressing enter. That is, enter is to enter a value in a particular cell, but since I have selected a range of cells, I will be pressing control enter. So total is 0%, means 0% of the work is left for completion and the progress is 100%. So now so this is the master sheet. Let me change master. You can also apply some color to it. Here is a type color option, and whichever you please, maybe red. And beside it, I will be clicking on the plus sign for a new sheet, Excel sheet, and I will be naming it as child, which will be building this particular thing which I have just shown in the previous spreadsheet, that is master. So here is the work, that is the title of the label to the column of my table, and here it will be progress. Fine. So I'll be selecting a particular kind of thing. Maybe I'll be for the work. I'll be generating some dummy text from A to something. So I'll be simply writing equal to row, and then char is char function. It will be converting the ASCII value 65 to something. So char 65. That's not the scenario. So it's A65. That means that if I am dragging the cell from the corner of that particular cell, that is with the fill handler, then since A is remaining constant, I am dragging it below. So row is constant, and while 65 denotes the column number, that will be changing since it's a row function. So 66, 67, 68, 69, something like that. Okay, so let me press enter. There is some problem with my function A65. Yeah. Okay, so this will be not row, this will be car. I'll be converting something to car, and this will be the row. So my mistake. Now let me press enter and create with the use of the fill handle, select some portion, maybe up to 28. Fine. So the progress will be something like this, that I'll be giving a special font type, and I will be not be going on with the Calibri or Times New Roman. That special font type will be Webdings. Fine. In this particular font style of Webdings, if we write A in small hand letter, it will be right. While if I write R in small hand letter, it will be cross. So let me make the graph in here. It's progress versus total. Fine. So what is the progress? Yeah, so that is the question. So suppose in this particular sheet I have from data from 2 to 28. That means that I have 27 rows. So imagine a scenario that instead of this 27, there are 100 of the range of the cells, and this 100. So something I need to have something for the percentage, that is the number of checkbox versus the total. So total is the range of the cell. So if it is this one is the 50, and this one will be 100, that means 50% of the work is completed now for this portion. So I need to count it. So checkbox means that is being, this will be the progress, means the amount in which there are checkboxes. I need to, in this particular position of question mark, I need to place there something which will be for the progress, that is the checkbox. I need to count it out. So it will be count if, fine, not count ifs from this range of cell. And okay, so count ifs from this range of cells. When will it count? Only if it finds A, means completion. And this won't be 100. I need to give it the range of the cells. So count A. So why count A? As you all know that count counts the numbers, but it doesn't handle with the text. But here we are giving A and R. Since this is a A and R kind of thing, we will be giving count A, and it will be from B to B28. Fine. Let me close the bracket and press enter. It's alright since I have not given any value. So if this is R 0, anyways, so the total work can be represented by 1 minus this one, the progress one. Let me press enter. Let me select these two cells and change it to percentage. The number format is given in here general. I'll be changing it quickly to a percentage. Fine. So now we'll be having a chart based on these two values. So insert chart. Select any of the chart. We can later on change the chart type, and I will be placing this chart inside here in C. So let me resize it. Okay, fine. So let me drag it in here. Let me try to drag it. Yeah, I have dragged it successfully. So the progress is 0%, but if I press here, so let me quickly just demonstrate. So inside of all these cells, I'll be writing A. Whenever I'm writing in A, and remember the trick is to write this A in small hand letter and not in caps. That's how webdums work. For small hand letter A, it's checkbox, that is correct, and for small hand letter R, it's cross. So since I have selected a range of cells and not only one particular cell, I'll be pressing Control Enter. See, progress is 100%, total 0%. Let me change some values randomly. While pressing down Control key, I'm selecting some ranges. Now I'll be pressing R and then Control Enter. Fine. See, in this way you can build an interactive chart kind of deal that work and progress, anything kind of present, absent, or the employees. Maybe there are two designations. OE and HR. So OE and clerk. So how many OEs are there in my organization and clerk? So for OE it will be represented by maybe right checkbox. So give your imagination some wind and try it out on your own, and let me know in the comment section. So before ending the video, I'll be selecting this particular chart, and from the from the design, there will be something like percentage. No, this one is not the percentage. Okay, or not an issue. Let me select this one. Yeah, I have got this one, this percentage, and you can change the font from 19%, maybe font, and what's the font? It was 9. Maybe I'll be changing it to 20 and press enter. So that's a small project in Excel. That's all for this particular video. Let me know in the comment section, guys, how you felt about the video, and whether the way I tried to explain the workflow of this Excel sheet, was it satisfactory or not. Basically commenting will let me know that whether I'm going in the correct path or not, and also it will boost my motivation that yes, somebody is watching and they are taking interest in the things which I find fascinating. Anyways, before I want to elongate this video anymore, since gibberish talk. There are lots of channels in YouTube, and anyways, thank you all guys, and happy